Most of us have dirty laundry scattered throughout our house. Organizing and cleaning your house without having a place to go for all the dirty stuff really can't happen. So, let's start in the laundry room. It's time to get organized. Is your laundry room basically a place where everyone throws everything? Well, now it's time to organize that mess. Your laundry room may be your mud room. It may be in a closet. It may be outside in the garage. Wherever your washer and dryer live, the space needs to be clean, functional, and without clutter. Laundry becomes easier if your area isn't full of clutter and is efficient for the user, which probably is you. I know I'm the one who does the laundry in my house. All right, tip 1, no piles of laundry in the laundry room. Do not leave your laundry in that room. I know, sounds silly. You have dirty laundry, so it needs to go into the laundry room to get clean, but we're not going to work that way. That leads us into tip 2, hampers in each bedroom and bathroom. Now, your dirty laundry doesn't belong in the laundry room unless you're washing it. So everyone in your family needs to have a hamper or a laundry basket wherever they're doing their changing. So I have a hamper in my closet because that's where I change my clothes. Put a hamper in your kid's bathroom. Put a laundry basket in your bedroom next to the door. Wherever your dirty clothes seem to accumulate, put yourself a laundry basket there. And tip 3, only bring laundry into the laundry room that you will have washed, dried, folded, and put away by the end of the day. Which means laundry doesn't go in your laundry room unless you're going to be washing it and getting done with your whole load by the end of the day to put it away. So that way there's no laundry left in there. That space needs to be relaxing. It needs to be inviting. It needs to be a place where you want to go. And face it, not all of us like laundry. So, using these 3 tips, you can help yourself to keep that area clean and fresh and ready for you every time you walk in to make things go from dirty to clean. Be sure to stay tuned tomorrow for more laundry tips. Do you have an idea for a video? Maybe you have a great organization tip, or maybe you need help organizing something specific in your life. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from people. Also, please give this video a thumbs up, share it on all your social media, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.